This is Aaron Dunn speaking. This is my first official intro. May God bless every one of you. Hello viewers, this is Aaron Dunn speaking. Sorry about the wait on the new video, which I forgot to mention to every one of you. We're gonna be having a slight line of thunderstorms coming across through here, and sorry about the video quality, but you get the idea. Anyways, this is for everyone, including Jordan, just plain weird goat, and everyone else that has subscribed to me. So may God bless every one of you. Thank you for watching my videos. May God bless every one of you.